Hey guys, so I'm starting my what I eat in a week. So it's Monday morning and it's obviously the start of my what I eat in a week. I wanted to do this video because I'm a really picky eater and everybody's always interested in my diet, and I also like cook a lot, so I don't know, I just thought it'd be kind of interesting and just like fun. So it's Monday morning, I have to leave for class in like an hour, but I just went to go get breakfast. So today's breakfast, I didn't feel like cooking, so I decided to just go get the breakfast from my like dining hall or whatever it's called. So I'll show you guys what I got. Whenever I don't feel like cooking, this is what I get. So I get French toast, eggs, bacon, and they call them tater tots, I call them hash browns. But I don't eat healthy at all. I just eat whatever I want, whatever I'm craving, I eat it. Like, that's it. So this is not about to be like no healthy meal ideas. That I don't eat healthy, I'm telling you now. I'm about to eat and this is about to bust. So while I eat, I'm gonna have some of this Simply Orange, can you focus please, Simply Orange pineapple juice. I meant to vlog as I shopped, but I just finished and I just remembered I brought my camera, but I'm going to make dinner. All right, so I just went to the store to get some groceries because it's 5 o'clock and I'm about to cook dinner. I got just a set of pans, I got mozzarella cheese, I got 2 things of fettuccine, tomato sauce, a package of butter, Parmesan cheese, which this is a scam because they don't even fill it up. Hold on, look where it's filled to, like what? And then I got heavy cream and I just got chicken. So yep, that's my grocery haul. I'm about to go cook. I don't know if I told you guys what I was cooking. I'm making fettuccine alfredo, oh my gosh, oh, I have to go back. I'm so stupid. I'm making fettuccine alfredo, Parmesan chicken, and corn. I completely forgot to get corn and I'm so mad because now I have to go back. It's 6:07. I'm seasoning my chicken. I'm gonna fry it and then work on my pasta. So I don't piss the ground off, man. I swear my do it till they suck the ground off. I just had to body Waynesburg's real quick and missed me, but I finally finished my food. So I wanted to finish by like 8. So 7:30 right now, so that's pretty good. So I have my fettuccine. This is also like the best Alfredo sauce I've ever made. It's literally perfect. Like, this is how Alfredo should taste all the time. It's so good. I got my Parmesan chicken and I just got some corn. I'm about to eat. This is literally gonna bust and I'm so happy I made this because I wanted to make this last night, but I was just being a little bit lazy. So I'm happy like I have it now and I can eat because it's literally gonna be so freaking good. I look real crazy. I got my bonnet on. I was gonna take it off for this clip, but I just don't feel like it. Also, my roommate put up these lights. I know this is not like a vlog, but I just want to show you because it's so cute. My roommate put up these lights. They're literally so cute. We already had up these and then this, but like it fell down and it's so cute. Anyway, I'm just gonna have some Captain Crunch berries, so just like in bed, because it's like, what time is it? It's 11:04, so I'm just gonna have some of these. I was also eating some Skittles. That's about it. So that was my meals for Monday. Hey guys, so it's Tuesday morning and I completely forgot to record what I ate, but I literally just ate what I cooked last night. I just forgot. I don't know how I did that, but yeah, I'm about to go to class. It's like 11:30 right now, so I'm leaving like 10-15 minutes. But yeah, probably all I'm gonna eat today is the food that I cooked, so you guys will see it later on. But welcome to Tuesday, if the traffic allows it. Hey guys, so it's 2:30 exactly right now. I got back from my first class, my econ class. I don't have to leave for class till 3:30, so I have an hour. So I'm about to eat. Like I said, literally all I'm gonna eat today is my leftovers. So here's my leftover pasta, leftover chicken, and then my leftover corn. This is like brunch, I guess, or lunch. I don't know. We're gonna see how many more times I eat today. Hey guys, so it's like 5:42. I just got out of my second class. Lauren's here. I'm not gonna show her because she just woke up from nap. Okay. But yeah, I'm about to eat. Look at the lights, y'all. I showed the lights yesterday, but they're just so cute. I'm literally just eating this again because I told y'all this is what I was gonna eat all day. So Guys, this has actually been like 30 seconds and this whole side of the lights just went out because they wouldn't stay up, so we tried to put like a push pin in it and this whole side just went out. So I look rough right now. I just spent the last like 4 hours. First I edited a video, it was probably my last video, my college weekend vlog, and then I just did a whole bunch of reading for like just like homework that I had. Literally spent 4 hours, so I'm tired and I look crazy. But it's 10:23 right now and I'm eating my dinner. So obviously fettuccine chicken. I've been putting extra cheese on it just because I really like mozzarella cheese and just cheese in general, and corn. So that's that. I'm gonna eat. This is probably the last thing I'm gonna eat today. So that was it for Tuesday. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so welcome to Wednesday. It's like 11 a.m. right now. I'm about to leave for class in like half an hour, but I already ate and I completely forgot to show my food. But as you could probably guess, I just had fettuccine and like chicken and corn. So that's definitely the last day I'm gonna be eating this. But that's just what I had for breakfast. So I just wanted to come on here and say, hey, welcome to Wednesday. Yeah. Alright, let me stop. It's like it's like 4:20 right now. I'm eating Captain Crunch out the box. Y'all probably don't care, but I'm probably just gonna snack on some Captain Crunch. Crunch berries, the best one. Guys, I just ordered Chick-Fil-A for dinner. Y'all, I forgot to vlog my food again. I don't know how I did that, but I just got chicken fingers and waffle fries, and that's it. I forgot to record it, so my bad. Here's a picture of what it looked like. But yeah, I'm just gonna end off Wednesday because that's probably all I'm gonna eat today. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, so welcome to Thursday. I look crazy because it's like rainy and gross outside, but I just went to go get breakfast from like our dining hall into my room right now. I'm gonna show you, but my roommate is asleep, so I'm not gonna say nothing. Even though I really shouldn't have, I just ordered Chick-Fil-A. It's like 2:20 right now, so I have to leave for class in like an hour and like 10 minutes, so hopefully this comes quick so I could eat. I usually get chicken fingers and fries, but the way I eat chicken fingers, I only eat like the crunchy parts. So I decided to try their spicy chicken sandwich this time and fries. So I just ordered that, and I'm probably just gonna chill a little bit until my next class, or I might do some homework. But yes, that is my lunch for Thursday. All right, so I just went to go get my food. So here it is. This I forgot to show y'all last night, even though last night I got chicken fingers. So I always get a large fry, barbecue sauce, and then this time I'm gonna try a spicy chicken sandwich, no pickles. My personal favorite fast food chicken sandwich is Jack in the Box. It looks really, first of all, it looks really spicy, and it looks really crispy, which is what I like and why I love Jack in the Box, because it's so crispy. Have y'all ever seen them pictures on Twitter where they like stuff their thumb in it? Okay, yeah, let me eat. My hair looks crazy, but oh no, it's raining again. So my review, just in case anybody cares, I think my new order from Chick-Fil-A is a spicy chicken sandwich. It was so good and like crispy. I still only ate like the ends of the sandwich, kind of like how I do with the chicken fingers. I only really like the crunchy parts of chicken. It's just a thing, but it was really good, and I feel like I got more for my money than I did with the chicken fingers. And it's also just like easier to eat because like a sandwich, I don't know, we'll see. But I think that's my new order, so just in case anybody cares, spicy chicken sandwich. I approve. It's 8:30. I'm about to make some macaroni for dinner because I don't feel like spending no more money, and I don't feel like making nothing like an actual meal. I'm watching Grownish, and I just finished my macaroni, and it's so good, so I'm about to go eat. And it's 8:55. So definitely my dinner for today. So I'm probably just gonna end Thursday here, so I will see you guys tomorrow on Friday. Hey guys, welcome to Friday, the last day in this what I eat in a week. So it's like I want to say like 10:45 right now. I just ate my breakfast. Of course, I forgot to show you, but I just had, it looks kind of gross, but I just had bacon, eggs, French toast, and tater tots or hash browns, whatever. It's just the breakfast from my dining hall, so that's what I ate. So I'm really full. So I will see y'all at lunchtime maybe. Hey guys, so it's like 5:30 right now. I did my makeup, I'm all dressed up because I'm about to go out or whatever. But I just opened this bag of Doritos and they're literally so good. These used to be my favorite chips, and then I stopped eating them because they stopped putting as much seasoning on them. But these have a lot on them, so I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna eat these, and then I'm gonna go, I don't know the next time I'm gonna have like a real meal, so we'll see. Hey guys, so it's Saturday night right now. I just woke up from a nap, which is why I sound like this. I'm about to watch Power though. I meant to end this yesterday on Friday, but I went out last night, so I just wasn't really thinking about recording. But I did get Chick-Fil-A yesterday, like evening, I guess. So yeah, I got Chick-Fil-A again for dinner. Actually, I wanted Buffalo Wild Wings, but I accidentally fell asleep and I didn't order it in time, and I didn't realize that Buffalo Wild Wings was on Postmates, so I could have really ordered it, but it's fine. But yeah, I just want to end this. I hope you guys enjoy just kind of seeing what I eat in a week. This is like a pretty typical week. I order food, I cook, and then sometimes I go to my dining hall. It just kind of depends what I'm in the mood for. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want another one of these. Make sure you follow all my social media. My Twitter and my Instagram is in the down bar. And yeah, I'm about to go eat, so thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Rule number 1 to be a boss ass bitch. Never let a clown nigga try to play you. If he play you, then rule number 2, fuck his best friends, then make them yes men.